Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is showing blank. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your WhatsApp is showing blank into the application, the first thing you should try is opening the setting, and after opening the setting just simply go to app settings, and into there just simply select the apps option and find the WhatsApp application into there. And now after finding the WhatsApp, just simply click to force stop, and after that go to storage setting, and into the storage setting click to clear cache, or you can also clear the data if you don't have any important informations or data included. And after doing this, open the WhatsApp and check if your problem is solved. But if it still doesn't get solved, just simply open your Play Store application and find the WhatsApp Messenger into there. And if you have a new version of WhatsApp available into there, it will show the update option instead of this open option. Just simply try updating your WhatsApp application and then your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.